Curious about the top-paying developer jobs in 2024? Well, buckle up for a ride through the realm of high-paying tech careers. Starting at number 5, we have data scientists. With the explosion of data in recent years, companies need experts to make sense of it all. Data scientists, with their ability to analyze and interpret complex digital information, have become indispensable in today's business landscape. Their expertise in machine learning, statistics, and predictive modeling allows them to command impressive salaries. Next, at number 4, we find cybersecurity engineers. As the digital world expands, so does the threat landscape. Cybersecurity engineers are the guardians of the digital frontier, protecting sensitive information from cyber threats. Their knowledge of network security, risk management, and encryption makes them a valuable asset to any organization. Sliding into the 3rd spot, we have AI engineers. With the rise of artificial intelligence, these professionals are in high demand. AI engineers design and implement AI models, contributing to advancements in technology like self-driving cars, voice recognition systems, and personalized recommendation algorithms. Their unique blend of skills in programming, machine learning, and robotics earns them a spot in the top 3. In 2nd place, we find blockchain developers. The blockchain technology, known for its role in cryptocurrencies, offers a plethora of opportunities beyond digital money. Blockchain developers who can create secure, decentralized applications are reaping the benefits of this booming field. And finally, at the coveted number 1 spot, we have the machine learning engineers. These professionals are the wizards behind intelligent systems that can learn and improve from experience. Machine learning engineers are pushing the boundaries of what technology can do, from developing algorithms for predictive analytics to creating neural networks for deep learning. In a nutshell, the top-paying developer jobs in 2024 are data scientists, cybersecurity engineers, AI engineers, blockchain developers, and machine learning engineers. These roles offer not just impressive paychecks, but also the opportunity to be at the forefront of technological innovation. The key to landing these high-paying jobs lies in continuous learning and staying updated with the latest tech trends. So, are you ready to take your coding skills to the